What's up, guys? So I have here a 2011 Toyota Prius that was having an overheating issue when the car would go over 60 miles an hour on the freeway, particularly going up hills or when the engine is under load. And everything had been replaced on it, such as the water pump, the thermostat, and the temp sensors. And the complaint was it was still overheating. And here we did a heat exchanger bypass, which is commonly done on the 4th gen Priuses, but in this case we did it here on the Gen 3 Prius, and which involves removing the 2 coolant hoses from the from the back that go through the catalytic converter. And we disconnected those 2 hoses, removed them, and in its place here we added a U-shaped hose to basically loop that path of coolant back. And what this does is it bypasses the catalytic converter, basically allowing the coolant to recirculate properly. If you have a blockage in here, or if the cat is clogged and it's getting too hot, it's in turn creates an overheating condition when under load. So I thought I'd share this piece of information with other technicians or DIYers who are having overheating issues on their Prius, particularly going uphill with the engine under load, going past 60 miles an hour. But when you're in the streets, it's not overheating. So yeah, just remember to don't do this while the coolant is hot. Drain the coolant, drain the radiator, refill it, bleed it, either vacuum fill or leaving the reservoir open. And yeah, this solved the mystery overheating issue, and it was not the head gasket. So